Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to work in our math book, but don't take it out yet. I want to show you this problem first, and then I'll tell you when it's time to find your math book, okay? What we're going to work on today are adding some really, really big numbers, and I think you're ready for it. So I've got a problem up here, and let me get my highlighter, and I'm going to show you. It says, how can you find 30 plus 40? And I'm going to teach you a strategy today that's going to help you add big numbers like this. Are you ready? Here we go. So you can see we wrote the problem 30 plus 40 equals box. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture, and because these numbers are so large, I'm going to use tens and ones. So I'm going to start with 30, and for the number 30, how many tens do I need? Well, I'm going to need 3 tens. Let's take a look. Here's the value, 10, 20, 30. Now, the next step is we're going to do the same thing for the other addend. The other addend is 40. So we're going to draw the tens for the number 40. So how many tens do you think we'll need? We're going to need 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we check the value, it goes like this: 10, 20, 30, 40. But we're not done, because now what we need to do is we need to add 30 plus 40, or we need to add all of our tens. We're going to put them together, and we're going to find the value. So I'm going to get a different highlighter here, and you're going to help me find the value for everything we drew. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And now all I need to do is write the answer. So we know that 30 plus 40 equals 70. Now they try to trick you down here at the bottom. Do you see that? They say they don't want you to write 70. They want to know how many groups of 10. Well, if you go back inside our circle, we can count the groups of 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to write the number 7 there, 7 tens. And that's how we solve those problems. Now you can stop the video and go get your math book and turn to page, I love this number, 444. Go get your math book and a pencil. Now, if you've got your math book and you're on the right page, you should see these problems. And I'll read the directions. It says, use tens and ones, draw to show the tens, write the sum, and write how many tens. So this doesn't have to take a lot of time. For the problem 20 plus 40, you think to yourself, how many tens do I need? I need 2 tens. And if we count the value, that's 10, 20. For the number 40, again, we just think, how many tens do I need? 1, 2, 3. I need 4. Draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got a few things to do. I like to circle them, add them together by counting the value. So we count by tens, that answer, I'm not going to do it for you. You're trying to trick me, but the answer is going to go there. And then down at the bottom, they want to know how many 10s did you draw. So I want you to work on the problems on this page, page 444. I want you to go to the next page, and this is page 445. And the problems here are the same. It's the same type of problem. Now, this one here, I'm going to read problem 9 to you. If you want to pause the video, that's fine. But here's what it says. Draw 2 groups of 10s. Draw 2 groups of 10s you can add to get a sum of 50. And then it says, write the number sentence. So there's your number sentence. And I'm going to give you a little hint. We know that's going to be equal. What are the 2 groups going to equal? The sum is going to be 50. So where are you going to put that sum? Right there. Now, after you finish this page, I've got a bonus page for you. I'd like you to try it if you can. It says complete the web. Write the missing addend to get a sum of 90. And I am going to do at least 1 or 2 of these. Now, this is going to be a little tricky. So what you're going to do, here's the web. And you're going to fill in. Let's look at this one. We've got to fill in this box here, and we have to put a number in there so that when you add 50 to it, the sum is 90. Every sum needs to be 90. So let me think. 50. I'm going to start at 50. I can draw my 10s and 1s. If I need to do that, that's fine. I could draw 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I have to keep going until I get to 90. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Well, what number did I draw? 10, 20, 30, 40. That's going to be 40. It's exactly what we've been doing, but just a little bit harder. And they put it in a spider's web. Why not, right? So go ahead and try that, and you'll notice this is the math on the spot problem. So I'll be sure to put the link in the comment section so you can watch the math on the spot video too, and that might give you a little bit of extra help. Good luck, boys and girls, and I'll talk to you soon.